Everyone promises that making 10,000 is not a big deal. But if that's true, why hasn't it worked for you? Hi, my name is Agatha Fiala, and here are the facts. I have 8 years of experience in trading, and I'm the founder of an international trading community with 12,000 members and a speaker at offline financial conferences. In this video, I'll share the greatest way you can actually achieve the life of your dreams. No scams, no empty promises, just clear and simple steps. All you need is a phone and 20 or 30 minutes of your day. Don't believe me? Keep watching till the very end and prove me wrong. I know that most of you are intimidated by the word trading and think it's way too complicated. But you'd be surprised how simple it actually is when you have an experienced mentor by your side. In my trading community, I take care of all the hard work for you. Every day I analyze the market, keep track of news and select the perfect trades. You just need to follow my lead in real time. Here's how it works. So first, you join my community by clicking the link in the description. Second, every day I share trading ideas, where to click, what to choose and when to enter a trade. And third, you simply follow my actions from your phone. No prior knowledge of trading is required, no months of study, no need to learn complex terms. Just copy what I do and see results. It's as simple as sending a text message. Are you ready to get started? Then don't waste another minute. Click the first link in the description. Join now and start your journey toward financial freedom today. As you can see, I've already prepared a bid by leaving only 4 in my account. That's what we will start our trading with. First, let's select a few currency pairs with high percentages and add them to the quick access panel for more convenient switching between them. So we will keep New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, and add Australian dollar and US dollar and Bangladeshi taka. Done. Now the most important part, indicators. Today I'll be using the RSI indicator. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. We will keep the default settings, just slightly increase the line thickness. RSI helps determine who currently dominates the market, buyers or sellers, and helps us find the optimal entry point. And lastly, let's check the trade duration. 1 minute. That's it. We are ready to analyze and trade. The first pair will be US dollar and Bangladeshi taka. Entering a trade up. Looking at the chart, the price has approached a local support level. RSI is already near its lower boundary, indicating market oversold conditions. So it makes sense to assume that the price will bounce off the support level and move up. My assumption was correct. Let's keep going. Next pair, an Australian and an American. Changing this value to 7. The chart shows that the price has broken through a local resistance level and is moving up. A strong uptrend has begun, pressing up with confidence. The trade closed in our favor. Well, let's keep going. Now it's time for a New Zealander and Canadian. Adjusting the value again. Now let's see what the chart suggests. The price tested the resistance level, bounced off it and moved downward. In such moments, it's better to follow the trend, so we press down. Perfect! Once again, my technical analysis was correct. Can't complain about that. Moving on. Let's check US dollar and Bangladeshi taka again. Setting a new value of 27. The situation is similar to what we encountered in trade 2. The price reached a support level, bounced off it and started moving higher. So we press the green up button. Awesome! So far, nothing complicated. Small steps toward the goal. By the way, friends, if you haven't checked out my trading club yet, I have some important news for you. So, during my sessions, I share only proven tools and carefully selected assets. Every step is based on market analysis and real-time data to help members achieve solid results. You don't have to figure out these complexities on your own or spend hours studying. I use my most reliable strategies, tested it and refined over the years. Everything is structured so that even beginners can see progress from their first steps without spending months learning theory. Plus, you can start with any budget, whether it's a small balance or a large amount. It's simple. Join, give it a try, and see for yourself how accessible it is. And the greatest part, right now, access to the club is completely free. The link is waiting for you in the description, and don't miss out. Our next trading session could start at any moment. But before we continue, I want to remind you that trading involves risks and profits are never guaranteed. Back to an Australian and an American. Adjusting to a new value. Now, looking at the chart, we see a very strong upward movement. There are no reversal patterns on the chart. After a small pullback, the uptrend should continue, so we press up. Thanks to proper technical analysis, we've reached 100. I'd call that a small victory. Let's see what happened next. Back to a New Zealander and a Canadian, changing the value to 100. The downtrend continues after a correction, and there are no reversal patterns. We still have time before the next correction, so let's enter down quickly. Whoa, that's what nerve-wracking, but the result is definitely satisfying. I'll try to take fewer risks going forward. US dollar and Bangladeshi taka again, adjusting the value. Here, the price tested the support level and entered a small lateral movement. We also see a green candle with a long lower wick, indicating strong buyer pressure pushing the price up. The RSI indicator is roughly in the middle, meaning there is room for further growth. For me, it's obvious. Upward movement is likely, so we press up. My analysis was spot on again. Look at that big gap between the opening and closing prices. You couldn't ask for a clearer setup. Let's go further. An Australian and an American this time. Setting the maximum value. Looking at the chart, we have a strong uptrend with a slight correction. Since local lows haven't been broken during the correction, the uptrend is likely to continue, so we press up. It feels great to be right again. The result 719. Not bad, but we can do better. A New Zealander and a Canadian, setting a new value of 720. The price tested the support level, bounced off it, and moved higher. The RSI indicator dipped into the oversold zone and quickly rebounded, confirming strong buyer activity, pushing the price upward. So we follow the trend and press up. Awesome! The result is great. And remember, we started with just 4. I think I'll do a couple more trades and call it a day. Back to US dollar and Bangladeshi taka, adjusting the value to 1,375. After our last trade on this pair, the price reached a resistance level and then reversed. The RSI indicator hit the overbought zone during the upward impulse and then bounced downward, further confirming that buyers have lost strength and the downtrend will continue, at least until the next support level. So we press down. 2,612 in the back. That was an amazing trading session. Let's do one final trade to lock in the results. Switching to an Australian and an American. The chart shows that the price reached a previous low, and this area is now acting as a support level. Buyers won't want the price to drop lower, otherwise the trend could reverse. The RSI indicator has also changed direction and is heading toward the overbought zone. So we are going up. Perfect! Our final result today is more than 5,000. Using technical analysis with the RSI indicator works wonders. So friends, you've just seen how I trade and why my methods works even for those who only learned the word trading yesterday. I've shown you how, in just one short session, you can reach impressive results, and that's just a small part of what's available to you. In my traders community, you will find: first, ready-to-use trading ideas with clear instructions. You just need to copy and apply them in your own trades. Second, proven strategies that I've developed over the years, both personally and alongside my community members. And third, personal support. If anything is unclear, I'll personally help you figure it out. And fourth, a real community. Everyone here is started from scratch, and now they're making real progress. Just see what they have to say about our trader community. And most importantly, you can join my community for free right now by clicking the link in the description. This video will be gone soon, so don't wait, join my traders community. Every day you delay is a missed opportunity and time you won't get back. Join now and I'll see you inside the traders community. And remember, even the most effective strategies don't guarantee 100% success. Trading always involves risks.